Hey everyone, so if you're looking for early blooming Quantico hydrangea, I have this guy right here for you. This is Firelight hydrangea from Proven Winners. Look at that. Big Quantico blooms. This guy starts off this nice creamy white and then turns into a vivid red color. Absolutely beautiful. Right now we're in midsummer, so it'll start turning into that red soon. But it's a beautiful hydrangea. Just look at the foliage right there. Nice, beautiful green foliage. Now this guy is tolerant from zones 3 to 8, so definitely a cold hardy hydrangea, and it can survive the heat pretty well. This guy gets about 8 to 9 feet tall, similar to the limelight hydrangeas, and it's absolutely beautiful. Produces quite a bit of blooms. Now we have this one tucked back, so we're not letting it spread as much, but I can imagine how many more blooms we'll get. But absolutely beautiful. So the reason I bring this up is because I did have a question about this hydrangea and planting it in an area, and it'd probably do best in a nice open area, but somebody had a question about doing a hedge of these. Now, if you're looking to do a hedge of a beautiful Quantico hydrangea like this, I had a recommendation to them was, if you're looking for something smaller, you can definitely go with something smaller. And let me show you real quick. Now over here we have Firelight Tidbit. Same hydrangea, just smaller. This is the smallest Quantico hydrangea made right now. This is Firelight Tidbit. Same creamy white color, turns into a pinkish vivid red color. Same beautiful foliage, and this one puts out many colors. As you can see, there's more starting to want to open back there. Now this is great for landscape planting, foundation planting. I can even see this in a container, and I think it'll absolutely look wonderful in a container as well. But this is Firelight Tidbit, same as the other one, just smaller, more condensed, and easier to use, probably in a landscape or a small hedge that somebody was asking me about. Over there, I already showed it, but this is a quick fire fab. Beautiful Quantico blooms. This one will turn to red also, but we're not focusing on that today. We're focusing on Firelight and Firelight Tidbit. So there you go, Firelight Tidbit, very small Quantico, will look great for a foundation, landscape, hedge, whichever you want to do, even in a container as well. Same zone tolerance, 3 to 8, so it'll absolutely do wonderful. So that hopefully answers the question that somebody had about planting a hedge of Quantico hydrangeas when you don't have room. Definitely go with Firelight Tidbit, or if you're looking for something huge, go for this Firelight. Beautiful Quantico.